If you want to connect SSD drive into your Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can for sure do this, but first of all you will need to enable the OTG connection support into the more connectivity options. It's available just here into the settings. It's necessary because sometimes this can be actually not recognized, so this is the reason why you have to turn it on, and you've got 10 minutes to connect. This is something to remember, because after 10 minutes it will be automatically turned off. Now you will have to just connect the cable straight into your phone, and then of course into the drive. Now you should get this notification over here. You can just tap on it and open, and as you can see right here you can find this storage connected, so you can for example open it and you can quickly transfer your data. But what is also really important, that when you open your file manager and go for the browse, you should also find your USB storage over here. Thank you so much for watching this video.